Yo, hello guys! What's up, manions? What's going on? This is Cher Jey and welcome back to my channel. And also guys, if you are a first timer watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Also, please do like and share. And for our new vlog for today, so we are going to talk about the online shopping. Yes, you heard it right. It's about the online shopping. And also guys, there's a lot of people who are availing their products online. So if you are a fan of availing your products online, just like in Lazada and Shopee, so this vlog is the best for you. There is an application, a mobile application where you can save money when shopping online. So by the way guys, this is being called as the Shopback, and this cashback application is the best for you if you are a fan of purchasing goods and products online. And also guys, this is an instant money cashback, where you can accumulate or where you can save all these cashbacks in your account. And also you can have up to 50% off. 50% off. Yes, you heard it right. 50% off. And also guys, by using this application, Shopback, if you're going to have a tour on this application, you're going to have all these services included in this cashback application. So we have also the food delivery, we have also the fashion, the shopping, just like the grocery delivery, electronics, sportswear, beauty products, Lazada and Shopee and the likes. Okay, so now the question is how. So how are you going to have this kind of application? So it is very fast and easy. If you want to use this cashback application, what you need to do is you need to download this in the Google Play Store. Just type the Shopback, okay, on the search button of Google Play, and also kindly install the application in your mobile phone. And also guys, you need to click the referral link, which is included on the descriptions below in this video. After clicking the referral link, what you need to do is to sign up your details, and also if you successfully sign up, you will receive instant 100 pesos as your sign up bonus. Alright, to make it short and easy, so please follow the steps and the procedures that is shown in your screen. Okay, so first of all, you need to open your Shopback application. Okay, and after opening your Shopback application, you will have there your search button, and you will also see all the stores you will like. Okay, so after that, go to the search button and type in the preferred store name that you will visit. Okay, and afterwards, just click continue to app, and it will redirect you to the official application of your preferred store. So just like what I did is I searched the Shopee application and continue to app, and it will redirect me to the Shopee application. After redirecting to the Shopee application, now you are ready to search the product that you want to avail in Shopee. So I'm going to type shelves, so because I'm looking for shelves, and kindly wait, it's loading. Okay, the internet connection getting slow. Alright, so it's there. So I'm looking for a shelf, so that is this one. We have the bathroom floating craft, rustic home decor. Okay, this one, that is 191 pesos to 315, and it also has their 10% cash back. Okay, so another one. Okay, I just have the 5 pesos minimum spend of 69 pesos. The voucher, I just claimed the voucher. And okay, just click buy now. Okay, choose the preferred size of the shelf. So I prefer 20 by 10 by 1.6 centimeter. And I'm going to put buy now. I'm going to click buy now, and it will redirect me to the shopping cart, okay, to my shopping cart, and it's there. So what you need to do is to check out, okay, so what you need to do is to check out, and after checking out, it will redirect you now to the checkout page where you can finalize all the things you need, okay? So just click place order if you are ready to place your order. Okay, so afterwards, you can now go back to the Shopback application and check the cashback or rebates that you have earned. Okay? So that's fast. That's fast and easy. That's how easy it is. Alright, so please do have your Shopback application now, and you can start earning and saving money while shopping online. Okay, so I think that's all for today. You have gained all the information that I have learned. And also guys, if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And also guys, please do like and share. Again guys, this is Cher Jey, and thank you for watching this video. And have a good day everyone guys. So see you on my next vlog. Bye!